Start with easy level. What is the capital of the United States? Answer B, Washington, D.C. What is the official currency of the United States? Answer B, dollar. What is the official residence of the U.S. President? Answer A, the White House. What are the first three words of the U.S. Constitution? Answer A, we the people. Who is the current president of the United States? Answer B, Donald Trump. Hold the comment button and select one emoji and comment below. What is the longest river in the United States? Answer C, Missouri River. How many states are there in the USA? Answer B, 50 states. Who was the first president of the United States? Answer A, George Washington. What is the national bird of the United States? Answer A, the bald eagle. What is the capital city of Texas? Answer A, Austin. Medium level. Who is the current president of the United States? Answer B, Donald Trump. What is the emergency number for police in the United States? Answer A, 911. Who was the youngest elected president of USA? Answer A, John F. Kennedy. What is the capital city of Georgia? Answer A, Atlanta. Press the follow button for more daily quizzes. How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have? Answer C, 27. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Answer B, Thomas Jefferson. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer C, Neil Armstrong. Where does the USA rank in the world by population? Answer B, third. Hard level. Which U.S. holiday is celebrated on July 4th? Answer B, Independence Day. What is the official language of the United States? Answer B, none. Who was the first Chief Justice of the United States? Answer B, John Jay. What was New York City called before it was New York? Answer C, New Amsterdam. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? Answer B, Florida. What is the economic system of the United States? Answer B, capitalism. Get ready for your last question. Comment your score below and share with your friends. What is the capital city of Washington? Answer C, Olympia.